Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and I upload 2 times a week, so be sure to subscribe before you leave. Also make sure that you tap the little bell button so that way you stay notified of when I upload. Today's video is going to be a review on some glasses, so let's just get right into it. I'm going to start off by saying that I used to wear glasses as like a fashion accessory, and I still want to, but I just never found a good pair that I liked that I guess I want to say the quality was really good. Like I had one pair of glasses that the quality was so good, and I think I got them from Claire's or something, like a long time ago. I think from Claire's or Icing or something. And I lost them and they were forever gone. And you know, if you dig back in my Instagram, you will see that I used to wear glasses a lot. I don't need corrective lenses or anything. Fortunately, I was blessed to have vision, you know, like a good vision without needing corrective lenses. All right, so I had a company reach out to me called Firmoo.com, or the company's called Firmoo, but their website is Firmoo.com on their website. And I was like searching through everything. Like they have different styles, different colors, different frame sizes. And one thing to take in consideration, you have to measure your what's called PD, which is pupillary distance, so the distance between your pupils, so that way you get the correct measurement or the correct size of frames for your eyes and your face shape. They also have like a little guide, I believe, underneath every the glasses that you click on. There's a little guide underneath, and it tells you like where to measure across the eyes, and then from like if you're looking on the peripheral from here to here, like to your ear, I don't know, it has all kinds of measurements, like nose measurements and stuff like that. And so it kind of guides you and helps you pick the correct glasses for your face shape, and which I think is amazing because it's always hard. That's one thing I had a problem with buying glasses from like Claire's or Rue 21 or something like that, is they were kind of, I feel like they were kind of just like a general face shape, or for face shapes, or I don't even know if I want to say general, but anyways, y'all know what I'm saying. Like it wasn't tailored to my face shape, and I really like that this had specific sizes and estimates. Like let's say this pair of glasses will fit from this pupillary distance to this pupillary distance, or this other pair of glasses will fit from this distance to this distance. So that's pretty good that they have different sizes, if you will. All right, so let me just show you guys the all the things that it came with. So it comes, well, mine came with this hard case right here. I don't know if all glasses come with them. I think they do. I don't know. I'll leave all the information down below, as well as like a discount code. I don't make anything off this, and this is not sponsored or anything. So yeah, you guys don't have to worry about that, because you know, just a little old me. All right, so that's what the case looks like. It's just like a world map, which is super cute, and I love the colors. It's like the old world type colors. And then that's the inside of the case. It's nice and soft in there. And then it comes with, of course, a little pouch for the glasses. And I actually use this pouch to clean my lenses, which it works really well. Although it does come with a lens little cleaner. Well, I don't want to say cleaner, but a little rag for the lenses itself. But like I said, I used the little cover because it basically does the same thing. Another thing is that they do stress everywhere. I see it everywhere. It's even written on here. It says styles update every day, no more than $39, which is amazing because a lot of people, it kind of gets frustrating, because I know my sister, she wore glasses and she was kind of frustrated with losing her glasses. And even contacts are expensive, but glasses are expensive as well. And especially if you want designer, of course. But yeah, I think glasses and contacts and just anything corrective, well, not corrective, but glasses and contacts are expensive in general. So I like that this is super affordable, and you can also like tell them your how many, I mean, I don't have corrective lenses, so I don't know your vision on each eye. You can let them know that. So it comes with these little tiny screws right here, and I'm assuming just in case one falls out or if you need to tighten anything, it comes with this little tool and the screws as well. But let's go ahead and jump to the glasses. I can't remember the style, but I'll leave them down below. They're a cat eye because I was just so over the ones at Rue 21 and Claire's. They're either like those Snapchat big old round ones, or they're like those, I don't want to say Ray-Ban because Ray-Ban's the brand, but y'all get like the Ray-Ban like really square style. And I'm really into the cat eye because it just goes with my face shape so well. And I just got the black pair, and they do have different colors in these. I also paid a little extra to get the lenses are, what is it? I got them to be non-glaring or something like that. So I paid a little extra for that. I believe the scratch, anti-scratch or something like that is free. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's free or like complimentary or something like that. But if you want to add any tint, or if you want to add any anti-glare, any like extra effects for your lenses, I don't even know how else to explain it, then you would just add that to the cart. And it was just like I said, it was an extra $5. It was no biggie, and so I was pretty happy about that. I also want to add real quick that their return and exchange policy, it says, we offer a reliable and friendly exchange and return policy. You will enjoy a 3-month warranty and a 30-day free exchange and return. A 100% satisfying solution will be offered in any case. Also on their website, it has where you can try them on, so you take a picture of yourself, and I wasn't able to do it. And I have a what is this, a Galaxy S8 Plus phone, and I don't know if it's just not compatible with my phone or if it just works for iPhones, but they do have little pictures of people that have particular pupillary distances, so that way you can see what the glasses can potentially look like on your face. And I don't know, that's just one thing that I struggled with, was trying to get my picture to upload so I can try them on. Fast shipment to US, 3 to 5 business days for express shipping, 2 to 3 weeks for standard shipping, and shipment to other countries may be different. So if you're from outside of the US, you'll have to check the shipping restrictions and all of that. They do have one-on-one customer service that will help you in anything that you may need help with. Duh. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know some little facts and stuff on the website. I really like that they feel very, very sturdy. These glasses overall just feel very, very high quality, very sturdy, and they don't slip down or they don't fall down my nose or anything like that. So that's what they look like. I wanted to put these on kind of at the very end because I know with my ring light it's kind of glaring and a little bit distracting, and so I didn't want to keep like tilting my head down the whole time. But I just want to show you guys, like, I absolutely love these. It kind of felt weird at first because I felt like they're probably too close for my face shape, but it's starting to grow on me. So I think, like, I'm starting to like these a lot. If I see another cat eye, I would probably try to find like a bigger cat eye, just because I think I picked these that are kind of for a closer pupillary distance. But yeah, I really love these glasses. They're amazing quality. They do have a buy one get one half off, and I'll leave a link to their website down below. Again, this is not sponsored and they're not paying me to do this, and so yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know because I love wearing glasses as like a fashion piece, or I feel like when I'm not on my non-wearing makeup days, like absolutely nothing on my face, there's days where I don't want to feel completely naked, so I like stick some glasses on to try to kind of hide behind the glasses, you know what I mean? And I'll just toss my hair up in a bun or something like that. But other than that, they're really great glasses. I highly recommend them. I know that's so cliche, but they're really great, super affordable. And yeah, that's all I have to say about this video. So if you have any questions regarding this brand, I will try to leave as much information as I can down below. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. So be sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and have a blessed day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.